Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this scary looking face on Dress to Impress. So you'll need to go to the contour section first, select this one, and you're going to color it red. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker than that, just a little bit. Then you're going to go to this one and you're going to color it all black. Then you're going to go to the other sections like this and you're going to color it this red. Then you're going to go to skin and you're going to color it, I guess, like your skin tone, which is this one over here. You're going to select 3 of them, and then you're going to go to the eyeshadow section and you're going to select this one, sorry. And you're going to color that black, and voila, you got this really cool and scary looking face that you can use for, I guess, scary themes. Although Halloween is over, you can still use it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!